Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Octavia.Darling. Ooh, y'all, I'm so excited because in this video, I'm going to be doing a lock tutorial where I want some nice plaits, and I'm gonna tell y'all what the inspo was. So I was out of town and I was in St. Thomas. It was one night in the village. I think it was reggae night. Yeah, it was reggae night in the village, and there was this beautiful lock empress standing in front of me, and I want to say her locks was probably about the same length as mine, maybe a little bit longer, but hers was like a little bit past waist length. Anyways, she had these really cute plaits in her locks, and I was looking at them and I was like, you know what, I want to try that, because I've done braids with my locks, but I've done chunky braids, I've done boho knotless braids, all that, just a whole bunch of different stuff I've done, and I want to just have some nice plaits with my locks. So that's what we're going to do today. Before we start the tutorial, I just want to say thank you to Loclicious for sponsoring this video. I'm going to go in with using the Loclicious Rosewater Hydration Mist to hydrate my locks. Now, I did already spray a little bit of water on my locks first, and mainly my roots, because we're doing this style as a no retwist, meaning I need for my roots to be as hydrated and moisturized as possible. I need for my roots to look very fresh in order for my braids to look good, okay? So on top of the water that I already sprayed, I'm gonna go in with using the Loclicious Rosewater Hydration Mist. This is definitely one of my favorite staple products. The Rosewater Hydration Mist does exactly what it says it's going to do, which is hydrate. And I love this product because not only is it good for hydrating my roots, but it's also great for hydrating my locks. And y'all, I ain't gonna lie, I only have a little bit left in this bottle. That goes to show you how often I use it. But this is the perfect product to use, especially when you want to freshen up your locks in between washes. And then of course, we have to seal the deal. I love to follow up with using the Loclicious Growth Oil. This product contains natural oils such as black seed, sweet almond, emu castor oil, Brahmi horsetail extract, cedarwood, amla, hemp seed, jojoba oil, argan oil, and an all-natural essential oil blend. Smells amazing. You can't go wrong with using this. And you guys, it does exactly what it says it's going to do, which is help with the growth of your hair. So I absolutely love this because it's not too thick and a little goes a long way. So if you are interested in using Loclicious products, you can use my discount code OCT, the number 15, to receive 15% off of your purchase of this hair bundle. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. So let's hop into this. I'm not trying to take too much time to do this style. So it's currently 7:45 a.m. Yes, your girl has been up since the crack of dawn, literally, okay? That's a story for another day. So my thought process is to do about 5 locks per braid. And the reason that I'm doing an odd number is because of what? Say it. Because I have an odd number of locks, okay? For those of you who are new here, I have 127 locks. I know. You ain't got to say it. I feel it every time I have to do something with my locks. So with that being said, we're going to do 5 locks per braid. I feel like that will be good enough for the size that I'm going for. Okay, so as y'all know, my locks are different lengths. So I'm trying to braid all the way down to the end, but we have some locks sticking out. So I'm gonna try to tuck them under as much as possible so that my braid doesn't have to stop too high. But y'all, I can't even hold you. I'm surprised my braids are this long. Oh my God, this is so cute. No, my battery's about to die. Okay, let me charge my camera for a little bit and then I'll come back. But I'm gonna keep braiding, but I'll come back. I did do 2 rows of braids without y'all seeing, but that's only because my camera needed to charge, but we are good to go for the rest of this video. Anyways, let me show you what the braids look like so far. So as you can see, they are turning out very nice. My roots are nice and flat. They're honestly turning out exactly how I wanted them to. And I gotta stand up a little bit so you can see. This is where the braids are stopping. Can y'all see? Yeah. Honestly, I'm so surprised at how long my locks really are. Like, y'all, I remember when my braids used to stop right here. Honestly, we're pretty much halfway done. I only have the rest of this to do. So I think I'm gonna do one more row in the back before I move to the front sections of my hair. I think I'll do it like that. Yeah, okay. And by the way, y'all should pretty much know by now that I don't focus on my parts being neat. And that's mainly because one, I have free parts, and for two, because I don't really care that much, to be honest with you. So when I get to the ends, as I previously stated, my locks are different lengths. So some of the braids is like one lock that's way longer than the others. So what I've been trying to do is go as far as I can to the ends of the braids, and then sometimes I'll 2-strand twist the ends, which isn't like a huge section, but just like a little bit, just to tuck the shorter pieces, and then to make sure that it's like not too many that are just hanging out. So you can see, like, this is how the ends are looking so far. So I'm not sure if I want to do the braids coming down like this in the front, or if I kind of want to do a side part action. I'm thinking side part, y'all, because it just looks a little bit more flattering, and I think it looks super cute for how the braids will fall. So yeah, let's switch it up and let's do a side part. Let's see here. Is that deep enough? Because I could do it like that, where it's kind of offsetting and it's not too deep of a side part. Or should I do one more row? Maybe one more row. Yeah, maybe like right here. That looks good. Yeah. All right, so this is the only section of braids that we'll have on the left front side of my head, and then the rest will be on the right side. By the way, time check, it is currently 8:35 a.m. So it's almost been an hour. I feel like I'll be done with the front, let's say by 9:15 the latest. So let's get to it. I'm on the last section of my plaits, and I'm trying to make sure I did not miss any locks. I don't want no loose locks. Okay, but this is the last section. I also wanted to mention that on this side, for like 2 braids, I did 3 locks per braid. By the way, it is currently 9:04, so it looks like I stayed on track with how long it was going to take me to complete this style, which I'm super excited about, y'all. I'm so excited. I'll tell you something that's really funny about me is that sometimes when it comes to like Loc tutorials, I do dread the idea of like, oh my god, I have to do my hair type of thing. But on the flip side, I love when I'm doing it. Like, I absolutely do. So I think it's just the idea of me having to dedicate time to actually do my hair, opposed to me just getting up and leaving. But I'm super happy that I went through with this. Oh, now we are done. So this is the result, y'all. This is how it's looking. So cute. I'm just really shocked that I was able to do this with my own locks. So y'all comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Do you like this lock style? Would you try it? Have you tried it? Comment down below, let me know. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll check y'all in the next video. Have an amazing week. Bye.